Hello, in this video I want to show you the single target rotations for both the Stone Spear variant and the Sledgehammer variant, in case you prefer a hands-on showcase of a wall of text. So for the Sledgehammer there are several methods to go about the rotation, but the most commonly used is opening up with your gravity bubble, then go into the Sledgehammer form, left mouse click short, and then gravity trap. So 2, 4, and then you would start spamming the right click. Keep note though that it will most likely only lead to 9 hits instead of 10. In some cases you will really have to move like not at all and have really good latency. You will get your 10th hit out, but I wouldn't count on it. So now imagine this would be the pull, maybe even put a couple of mines, 2, 4, left click, and you can really go in without fearing like mechanics or so, because you're well protected by the 50% reduced damage. So again, 2, 4, 1, Z, and off you go. Oh, I don't want to kill the boss, so you get the idea. And it's really easy for any support to buff you, because you can literally start bursting on pull. Well, not on pull, but 3 seconds later, but the support will know exactly how and when to buff you. So instead of like those 8k hits you saw me do, I would be doing 20k, which is quite a difference to dish out 200,000 damage in like 10 seconds. But most bosses on your prestige, on my prestige level, that would be like, oh well, we can see how much HP this guy has, so well, yeah, he would be dead. And even considering doubling his HP because I come with a support, it would be down to 2 or 3 health bars within 10 seconds. And now we move on to the Stone Spear variant. So here we have Stone Spear and Railtron. It's been some time since the last time I threw a couple of stones, but generally you would start the fight making sure your first right click would be a Stone Spear. Since I just switched, this isn't the case, so let me quickly fix that. Now imagine it was a pull. I would try to get 6 or 12 charges on the enemy, and maybe put a couple of mines, 2, 1, Z, right click. You can already start channeling the next. Remember, you don't need to be inside the bubble for the 40% damage. Being outside is perfectly fine, because it's only the mob that needs to be inside. So now, again, bubble, impulse charge, crit, and off we go. So if you're a fan of big numbers, this definitely is the spec for you. Damage-wise, Sledgehammer is a lot better, a lot better. So that's it, and see you for the next video.